Local area emergency for the following Virginia counties: Isle of Wight County, Chesapeake County, Suffolk County, York County. And the following Virginia cities: the city of Portsmouth, the city of Norfolk, the city of Hampton. Effective until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. At 8:50 p.m. EDT, a group of red objects ejected in James River Delta between Isle of Wight County and the city of Newport News. Radar imaging has shown that a 125-foot crater has formed in the middle of the river and has caused water levels to decrease dramatically. A voluntary evacuation order has been issued for the warned area. If you choose to evacuate, take Interstate 64 north. Do not take Interstate 64 south as the Hampton Roads Bridgeway may collapse. Please stay tuned to local media sources or NOAA weather media sources for more information. Civil emergency message for the following Illinois counties: Knox, Stark, Peoria, Fulton, Mason, and Tazewell. Effective until 1:35 a.m. on April 27, 2021. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. At 9:35 p.m. EDT, a group of unknown objects ejected into the air. These objects have caused 2 to 3 mile crater to form on the Illinois River. This has caused decreased water levels on the river. This crater has affected mostly rural areas of Tazewell County. However, this crater has caused Interstate 474 between exits 5 and 9 to collapse. Please stay tuned to local media sources or NOAA weather media sources for more information. Civil emergency message for the following South Dakota counties: Brown, Day, Marshall, Edmonds, and McPherson. And the following North Dakota counties: McIntosh, Dickey, and Sargent. Effective until 12 a.m. on April 27, 2021. At 10:45 a group of unknown objects ejected into the air. These objects have caused 2 to 3 mile crater to form. This crater has caused catastrophic areas to some areas in downtown Aberdeen. Please stay tuned to local media sources or NOAA weather media sources for more information. Civil danger warning in effect for the following Oregon counties: Multnomah, Washington, Clackamas, Hood River. And the following counties in Washington: Cowlitz, Clark, Sakesamania. The following message is transmitted at the request of the emergency management agencies of the states of Oregon and Washington. A group of unknown objects ejected into the air. These objects have caused 2 to 3 mile crater to form. This crater has caused catastrophic damage to areas in downtown Portland. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for the warned area. Please pack non-perishable food, water, medical supplies, important documents, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Stay tuned to local media sources for more information. National Information Center. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 12:01 a.m. EDT, multiple objects have started to orbit the Earth. These objects have to cause strange weather events. Tornadoes have been reported all over the country. At this time, we request that everyone seek an underground shelter until an all-clear message issued. Stay tuned to local media sources or NOAA Weather Radio for more information. We interrupt your programming. A national crisis is imminent or occurring. Please stay tuned to this station for more information. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KEYC TV. We will continue to serve the Mankato metro area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Mankato area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Federal Management Agency. At 1:50, multiple unidentified objects had collided with the Moon. The Moon was destroyed and debris will fall toward the Earth. 7 counties will be impacted by the debris. These counties include Snohomish County in northwestern Washington, Dallas County in north-central Texas, Riverside County in south-central California, Franklin County in central Ohio, Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, Davidson County in middle Tennessee, and Collin County in northeastern Texas. At this time all residents in a 100-mile radius of these counties needs to evacuate. To see what highways have enacted contraflow, go to. Stay tuned to local media sources for more information during this national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. The debris from the moon has struck their targets. However, people in the warned area should not return home until another message is sent to debris from the damage can be cleaned up. We thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume at this time.